Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime time sensitive notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on notifications and then scroll down and tap on time sensitive notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said here, time sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately outside of the schedule, summary schedule. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.